Hello friends, welcome to the TruthsCorner.com videos. Today we will learn a quick cocoa drink recipe for weight gain. Cocoa is rich in antioxidants that helps to prevent risk on many diseases in the body. It helps to keep heart healthy by regulating blood pressure. Cocoa not only promotes healthy skin but also helps in showing the process of until aging. Detoxification of liver is also possible with help of cocoa. Being highly nutritious, it makes a perfect option for summer. Other benefits including nutrients and vitamins dense improves immune system rich in iron and of course mood lifting. Why waste time? Let's now move to the recipe. To begin with, heat a pan, pour 2 glasses of milk in it. Leave to heat it up for a while. Now take 2 spoon of corn flour and 3 spoon of cocoa powder in a bowl and then add 2 spoon of milk to it. Now mix it well and keep heating the milk. When it becomes slightly thick, add the above mixture. Make sure the mixture thickness like this. Now take a dark chocolate and cut it into small pieces like this. Make it in powder form like this. Now we will add it to our drink and mix it well. Make sure it is not thicken and from lumps. It is ready now. Now we will take a cloth, take some pieces of ice in it. Now keep it in a cloth and mix it in this way. We can also run it in the mixture also, but I have made pieces like this. We will put the ice in the glass, fill half the glass with crushed ice cubes. Now we will pour the glass we made into it. We will take another glass together and mix it in this way that it also cools down and the 4 to bubbles formed in it also get removed. Look, now it is completely ready. Thank you.